Hello and welcome to the second video of this little tutorial series about ModelBus. Today's topic will be the ModelBus Manager. So what is the ModelBus Manager? Basically it's a web application for the administration of the model server installation, and allows you to browse the ModelBus repository and to manage the user access rights. So how do you install the ModelBus Manager? That's quite simple because the ModelBus Manager is shipped with the ModelBus server installation and is also installed alongside with the server. However, the ModelBus Manager have to run on a different port. If you want to change this port, you can go to the MOS ini file. There is a line ending with port equals 9090, and you can change the port to a port where you want to use. However, this port must be different than the port you're using on the server. So when you've done this, you can close the file again and start the ModelBus server. So when the ModelBus server is started, we can see ModelBus Manager is starting and is started. So what we have to do now is to open a browser and go to address bar and type in localhost and the port you choose / ModelBus Manager. So this window will open now, and now you can click on this little log over here and enter the user credentials. And these are in the standard value for the admin, username admin, and the password will be ModelBus with the caps M and the caps B. Okay, so now we are in the ModelBus Manager, and we got here our Windows repository and users. As you can see, I'm in the user site right now, and you can see I've already created a new user called Julia. So what I'm about to show you now is I will create a new user group. Double click on user Julia, and you can see I got the name and the password and the access rights, and down here there are user groups so that I can store my users properly. So I create a new user group now, new user group, double click on it, and I can change the name to maybe the developer. And now I go back to my user Julia, and now in user groups I got this little mark developer, so I click on this and I click these two arrows to the right, and now Julia is moved into developers. So double click on Julia again, I can see she's in developers right now. I could also click on developer and move her out again, but I don't want to, so I will now change these changes. So the second window we got is the repository, so we can see the repository and everything that's in it. We can browse it, but in the ModelBus Manager you only have the possibility to view all the stuff. You can't change anything. So as you can see, we got www.eclipse.org and www.modelbus.org. This ModelBus file is specific for every ModelBus server. It's got the ModelBus user and ModelBus log, and in the ModelBus user you can also have the all stored, and you can check the password and the usernames and the specific user rules. So and Eclipse is basically for your Eclipse application. So when you go to Eclipse and have a new project and commit it to the ModelBus Manager, or in general to the ModelBus server, you will find it right here. We check that out in the next video. That's be for it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.